Here we have a 2012 Roush Stage 3 540 horse Mustang sitting here, and this car is absolutely beautiful. This car came into us just as you see it, and man, this has to be one of the best looking Roushes we've had in here so far. Great color combination, great condition. You can take a look and see. I'll show you. I know everybody always worries about on these Mustangs and Corvettes if the front end is chipped up or anything like that. As you can see, very nice front end, even down low. There might be a bug fleck or two or something like that, but as you can see, very clean and tidy car. Right around 23,000 miles is all that's on this car, and boy, does it show. Again, this is a Stage 3 540 horse Stage 3 Roush Mustang. It does have the Roush exhaust and of course the chrome tips on the back. It's got the backup sensors as well as the backup camera, as you can see right there. It does have tinted windows on it. Be sure the car is being sold that way. You'll have to check your own state and abide by their window tint laws, of course. Let's take a look at the inside of this bad boy. You can see the light up. Get it to show up here in the camera. You can see the Mustang lights up there. All right, power seat on this car, of course. All the goodies as well. Driver information center. Here's your boost gauge, fuel pressure. I'll turn the key on here quick. This one does have the nice digital screen display inside with the navigation, and of course the backup camera as well, as I showed you before. Car is fully loaded, including heated seats. Appears to have been a non-smoker. There's no bad odors or anything in the car. There's another shot of the stereo once it's loaded up. 6-speed transmission. Lighted cup holders there, you can see. Awesome car. But the best part is when you fire it up. Listen to this, everybody. She's a little low on fuel, but that's okay. That's part of the fun. The other two lights over there, just so everyone's aware, is just your door open and seatbelt light. There are no check engine lights or any of that kind of stuff to worry about. Hopefully you can hear that. Alright, let's take a peek under the hood here. We'll show you the best part of the car, in my opinion. And as you can see, it's got the Roush style blower on it. Very nice and tidy under the hood as well. Let's go about back and take a listen, shall we? Just the perfect sound. And if you want to get on it, she'll bark. If you want to just cruise, you can do that as well. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered, and financing is available on this Roush as well.